Hi guys, this is a little unboxing, a little chat about this Sony ULT Power Sound headset. Now, this is an unboxing, but this is actually our second one. We have another set as well. It's that good. So I was going to give you a little unboxing of this and just chat to you about the sound of it. My husband is more of the audio expert than myself. And the way he's described it is that if you know when you go to the cinema and you get that bassy sort of experience where you feel the sound, that is what you're going to get with these headphones. So this is how it comes in the box, and you get it in this very nice little case. You'll get your warranties and all your instructions there. QR code to scan as well if you need to. Let's put this to one side. And you get this really nice hard shell case to keep it all really safe. Obviously, this does work with iPhones, iPods, Google phones. Works with Alexa as well. So if you want to play music and things through Alexa or your podcasts. It is a noise cancelling headset as well. And it does have 2 extra settings of bass. So let's open it up here. It's very nicely placed in the case. And it is a very nice, smooth headset. Swivels immensely and it is very adjustable, so if you have a larger or smaller head, it should fit you nicely. And you've got your lovely soft cushions, leatherette style comfort cushions there, and you've got your charging port on the bottom. You've got your power, and then you've got your boost button. So this is what you would press if you want to crank up the bass experience. My husband in particular loves watching movies, Blu-rays, and obviously also gaming as well. So this really gives him a really 3D audio experience of those. So he said that sometimes when you listen to them, you can feel these moving because of the bass is that prominent. You get that, and then that gives you that 3D audio experience. So if you are looking for quite an immersive experience with your audio, this would probably be the headset that you're looking for. You've also got your cable there as well. You can plug it into your controllers, things like that. And yeah, it is clearly a stonkingly good Sony build of a headset. They're not going to do anything shoddy, and it is just a fantastic headset for if you really want that 3D audio experience. So yeah, we in this household really recommend this. So this is our second unit, and we give this a massive thumbs up.